Peace, everyone. I know it's been a while since I vlogged, but I've just been busy with life, busy having fun with friends, and trying to find a new job, which I found a new job. I got an offer yesterday, and I'm so excited. This job is going to be an administrative coordinator position for a hospital, and I'm really excited to start. Anyways, today, me and my friend Jolie will be going to Sandy Point Beach over in Maryland. If you hear panting in the background, that's Bear. We just came from the dog park, so he's a little tired. But yeah, I'm really excited to go to the beach, excited to have a nice chill day. It's supposed to be really hot today, so a beach day is needed. But yeah, I'll bring you all along with me, and I hope you have fun. Hey everyone, we made it to Sandy Point!
Yay!
This is Jolie.
Hi, nice to meet you, audience.
Peace, everyone. I just wanted to get on here and first show you some of the stuff that I thrifted. I got these rings from Georgetown Flea Market. I don't know if you can see them. They're like green, brown, and green. I got them from Georgetown Flea Market. And then I got this beautiful bangle bracelet from Be Thrifty, which just closed down. They just closed down Be Thrifty. I'm so upset about it. They said they were moving it to online, but I don't know how I feel about that. I already use Depop, and I'm already beyond obsessed with Depop, so I'm very sad, mourning the loss of Be Thrifty. But I also got this shirt, I don't know if you can see it, from Be Thrifty. And then I just got these shorts. Let me see if I can show you. I just got these shorts. They're Wrangler shorts. I got them from the Georgetown Flea Market. The shorts were originally 40 bucks. They gave them to me for 20. I had $20 in my Venmo account. I already had used 10 on like the rings. So that left me with 10 bucks. So I only ended up paying 10 bucks for the shorts. let's talk about it. Girl math all the way. So did I really spend 20 bucks? No, I only spent 10. But it was a super wonderful day. I went with my cousin Jaya. Yeah, we went to, oh, he scared me. We went to the Georgetown Flea Market, got a coffee, got these shorts, got some rings. She got some rings. And yeah, it was a really nice day. I am so excited to start this new position. I just am so grateful to God for providing me with this opportunity. I've been looking for a new job since January. So, and right now it's August. So it's been almost, I'm bad at math, 7 months that I've been looking for a job, and it just feels nice to know that I'll have stability. I'll have a regular paycheck coming in. Not that I hadn't all these months, I was working, but I was working a job where full-time was considered 36 hours, and reaching 36 hours was really hard to do. So I'm glad that I won't have to worry about that. This is a full-time 40-hour job, and it's working in a hospital doing more administrative operations work, and I'm really excited to delve into that. It has a good clinical ladder to climb, so that's also exciting about future opportunities. And so I'm just really excited, and I'm feeling really grateful during this period in my life. And yeah, I just wanted to share that with y'all. I also wanted to get on here and talk about my meditation recently. I have been meditating a lot more, drinking a lot more tea, trying not to do coffee, but not too good at that. But my meditation recently has been very transformative. Sorry, there's a bug in the window. Okay, it's gone. One day I was meditating, and it was so weird. I had been meditating for, I want to say, about like 10 minutes at that point. I haven't gotten to the point where I can get to 20 minutes. I've only gotten to like 15. But I was meditating, it was about 10 minutes in, and I started to see my breath, like actually flowing in my body and out my body. My eyes were closed, but it was like a light. And every time I breathe in, it would like come towards me. And every time I breathe out, it would like go away from me. And I don't know how I knew, but I knew that that was my breath, and I knew that I could see it, I could feel it. It felt amazing. It looked really cool, to be honest. But it wasn't something that I was visualizing. It was something that I was seeing, if that makes sense. But yeah, that has really been super cool. But when I have experiences like this, when I meditate, I try not to expect that again, because you probably won't get it. I usually just let my meditation be what it is in that moment and what I need in that moment. But yeah, I just wanted to share that little story with you all about seeing my breath. It was really cool. While I'm just sitting here yapping, because that's what I've been doing, and just yapping, I am thinking about dyeing my hair. I don't know what color though. Maybe you all could help me out. I'm thinking maybe like highlights. So some locks, like this lock would be like blonde, and this lock would be brown, and then the rest would be like black. And I just have spots of like blonde and brown throughout. I'll show a picture. Or I'll try and show a picture, because I'm not really sure how to show. I don't know how YouTubers will be like, I'll put a picture up. Well, I'll try and put a picture up of what I'm thinking of. But Yeah, I think that would be cool. I also thought about burnt orange over like my whole head, but then I was telling my sister about it, and she was like, "No." So I'm not sure about that. I just know I want some new color in my hair. Like, I love the color of my hair, but it's missing something. I think that's why I put beads in it, because I like to. This one's a little butterfly one. I don't know if you can see it. It's a little butterfly, but I think that's why I put so many beads and stuff in my hair, because first, I just like it, but second, it's to help me express myself a little bit more. And I feel like just changing the color would be like the ultimate, like, boss of self-expression. So we'll see. I'll probably dye it in September this year for my birthday. Yeah. Speaking of birthdays, excuse me, my throat has like the worst itch in it. Speaking of birthdays, my bear, he just turned 2. Can y'all believe it? Come here. He doesn't want to get up. He's being lazy, but Bear just turned 2. Happy birthday, Bear. I love you. You have made this the most fun 2 years ever, and I'm so excited to see him grow even more. And he still whines like he's a puppy. That part just has not gone away. Hopefully it does, because it's really something else. But there he goes. Say hi to everyone, Bear. Say hi. He's so sweet. We took him to the dog beach. He got to play in the water. I'll insert a clip right here.
There, look, over there.
I took him to get a bath after that, so he smells so good. And we also gave him his toys. He got like this squeaky banana toy, a purple squid squeaky toy. Oh. Why are you trying to lay on me like that? He's so weird. Okay. And we got him this ball for the dog park. It's like bigger than your typical ball, but it also has a rope tied to it, so you can play tug. So yeah. Also, I've got to give y'all a garden update. I'm about to do that right now because my garden is popping. Okay, here's the garden update. Look at these bugs eating my plants. But look at my kale. My kale is doing so much better. The arugula is doing pretty good, but the bok choy, look at the bok choy. You can see it like really coming in. The bok choy is doing like the best out of everything. And I think I could start eating it soon. It won't be that much, but abundance, am I right? It is my hope that one day I will have a bigger backyard and will be able to have a bigger garden and be able to provide some stuff for my family. Like, I just feel so fulfilled growing my own stuff and even catching my own stuff. I went crabbing a couple weeks ago, and we caught crabs ourselves. We cooked them, we ate them, even though I'm vegan. We'll talk about that. I'm vegan, but it's weird. If I catch my own stuff, I'll eat it. But I don't want to eat what's sold in the stores, what's destroying reefs and things of that nature. But It's complicated. It's complicated, but I don't eat meat. I haven't. Crab was the last thing I had, and that was like weeks ago. So I don't drink dairy, mostly because I almost fell coming in. Mostly because I don't like dairy, but also I don't want it. Like I don't crave meat. I don't. It's weird. I'm plant-based. I'm not a vegan. If I was a real vegan, I would have never caught those crabs. So I say I'm plant-based, but I just tell people I'm vegan because they understand what vegan is over what plant-based is. So also, while we're on the topic of thrifting and all that stuff, even though I've gone through like 7 different topics after that, I got a Nikon FG camera. It's a film camera and I love it so much. It got jammed, so I actually had to go and fix it, but I got this bad boy for 20 bucks. Look at the lens on it. And this is a like changeable lens. You can take the lens off, but I got this for 20 bucks. It was supposed to be 30, but the guy was like, you drove all the way out here, just pay me 20. I was like, okay, if that's what you're charging, that's what I'm paying you. Don't play with me. So I gave him that 20. And I got this camera because I'm going to Ocean City in a couple weeks. I'm going home probably next week. I'm going to Yosemite in October, and I'm going to Puerto Rico next year. I just want to be able to document everything, and I'm gonna have my film camera, my like filming camera, like for videos, my film camera now, and then my phone. So I'm gonna be carrying around a lot of camera equipment, but it's gonna be totally worth it for the memories. I don't plan on recording 24/7 or taking like a ton of pictures, but you know, I don't know. I just love, is it cinematography? Photography? I love it all. It's so much fun, and I want to get better at it to maybe even start like my own small business would be kind of cool. So I don't know, maybe I should go back to school for it. My parents would kill me. My student loans would kill me. They'd be like, no. But yeah, I'm gonna listen to some music, chill, dance, and then I'll probably meditate, go to the gym. I'll see what else I'm gonna do today. Yes, everyone. It's the next day, and as you saw, I just made some breakfast. It was so delicious, so fulfilling. So grateful to have had that meal. I just took Bear out to the dog park, and now I'm just about to maybe go to the coffee shop, get some onboarding things done for the new job. We'll see. I might either go to the coffee shop or just stay here. But yeah, I just wanted to end this vlog off by thanking you all for being here. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed just a few weeks in my life and me yapping a lot, because yesterday I was yapping bad. But yeah, I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your week, and I will see you guys in the next video.